So I had them come out and they found some areas with a couple nails that were popped out. Also, when I was painting the house, I noticed some dry rot in our eaves and soffits. So I had them come out to do some repair. Andrew was great. He went up in the attic and found a couple nails and put together a nice estimate. Orlando was the repair installer, and he did a great job. Very professional. The roof was coming in from multiple slopes, and he was able to figure out how to do a complex repair in there. So I was real impressed with his work. Very skilled, and I was pleased with everything about the experience on Guardian. And I would recommend that to family members and friends. In fact, I have in our neighborhood, I've passed along Guardian.